Western media or someone vested party cannot just say that, oh, a minority Christian is being killed or prosecuted based on this and that without an actual cause. So I think it is important to highlight the true reason of what is happening there.
My last question to you, do you believe that the Western media or the West do really understand the complexity of the Northeast India?
Not at all. Being a native, I can say that they don't. And plus, I think also nowadays, I can also see that there is a group of us, in a way, from inside who wanted to portray the truth in the face to the mainland India as well as to international media. And I think it is very important that if I were a media or a ground personnel to highlight, to have the evidence, they should come and stay not just one day and have a parachute journalism. They should stay longer, observe the people, have both sides, and especially with Manipur condition because there was internet shutdown. And a lot of journalists, either from the inside, cannot have their statement cross-checked.